Hi, I'm Robert Duff, and today I'm going to talk to you about transistors. I'm going to show you the little secret behind electronics that allows them to amplify currents and how it works. First, I'll tell you how to build one and show you a little circuit. Second, I will show you how it works and what the circuit does and actually how it functions to make those currents amplify. And then third, I'll show you a little bit of the NPN junction, and that's the secret behind your transistor and why you need to have that running to make it work. Let's go to a circuit first. As you can see here, I have two diodes set up to it. The red diode's hooked up to your collector, which is burning much brighter than your green diode, which is hooked up to the base. Basically, your current's going higher in here and lower into here. So that's why we've got a lower light in the green diode than we do in the red light going to the collector. Next, I'm going to show you the IC. Your IC has many of these transistors inside of it used to help amplify circuit signals. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works. I've drawn my circuit up here, and this is your basic NPN junction. And the reason why you need this and how it works is you're going to have a negative, positive signal and then a greater positive signal, which will come out of it. As electricity flows in through here, you will have your base activate the emitter, and the collector will be able to flow through here. And once both of them are going, you'll have a much greater signal going through here. That's just taking a little hose and making it into a big hose so you can pump more voltage through it, and that will give you a better amplifier. The common transistor is drawn a little differently. This is my two diodes. Normally it's only one piece, so we draw it like this. You got to make sure you put your arrow in, because this is very particular in this case. NPNs never point in, and the PNP is up here. In this case, we're still using the NPN, so I'll go ahead and tell you a little bit about the NPN junction. If you look over here, we have the NPN junction set up, where you have your emitter, your base, and your collector. You can see that your emitter is pretty small and compact. It's got a lot of electrons sitting in it, whereas your collector has a lot of space and less electrons sitting in it waiting around. Your base is the smallest piece of your NPN junction, and that is where it's going to cross through and trade off. As it flows through the circuit, you're going to find that you will have less electrons sitting in your emitter and more of them flowing a little more freely through your collector. And with that going on, it's going to create two zones called the depletion zone, which is used to flow current through. Now that we've got these depletion zones, you've got much more chance of getting electricity through this circuit. And with that being said, I've given you just a basic tutorial of how the circuit's built, how the transistor works, and what the NPN junction does for your circuit and how it amplifies your signal. If you have any more questions, pick up a book and check out Chattanooga State's Technology Center. Thanks.